Today, I'll show you how to change your Twilio region. First, log into your Twilio account and open the console. On the left sidebar, click Explore Products to access all your Twilio services. Next, scroll to find the Phone Numbers card. This is where you manage your numbers and region settings. On the right side of this card, click the pin icon or the drop-down menu to see the available regions. Select the region that fits your needs, like Ireland for E1 for Europe or Australia for E1 for Asia Pacific. Review your selection carefully. Once you're happy with it, finalize your choice and your Twilio region will be updated. Choosing the right region can improve connectivity, reduce latency, and align with legal or business requirements. And that's it, your Twilio region is now successfully changed. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Twilio tips and tech guides.